Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Jeffrey Celavie AI. First, you will have to open up a browser and then search for Jeffrey Celavie AI. And this is how it will appear. Now you need to click on the very first link that you will see on the Google search results, and this is where it will take you to. On this page, you can see the frequently asked question and the social link to this AI. You can connect with them on Twitter, Instagram, and Discord. After that, you will see that this is an AI oracle and AI astrologer. So basically, this will help you with your astrology question, and it uses the most significant books and theories of astrologers, as this is what this AI claims. So they have the power of astrologers' most notable books and theories. They also have a lot of data related to astrology in their algorithms, which will help them generate the best astrology answer as per your date of birth and your details. You can talk to it below, and you can also speak to it in your language. If you want to speak to it in your language, just tell this AI. So this site is currently out of order because of a lot of traffic. When you scroll down further, you will see that this AI uses modern astrology, calculates your astral map and zodiac horoscope, and guides you toward your destiny. It also uses the Vedic, Western, and Chinese system to give you information that is near to authentic. They do it by checking out the intersections of planetary positions according to your zodiac. They also use the data from NASA, which is quite huge and vast claim, since not every AI uses NASA data. Since everyone has a unique personality, they also have a cosmic character that differ from others. You can get the answers specific to you and your details based on these personality traits. After that, you can click on this Jeffrey Celavie option, since this is a part of Cool Kids, which is a platform where you can find some more AIs related to this particular project. And that's how to use Jeffrey Celavie AI. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching!